To understand drill through reports, I am creating one more report here. Let us add a new item. So before we actually create this, let's question what is drill through report. So when it comes to drill down, what we are doing in same report, when we are clicking here, it is expanding and collapsing. But for drill through, it's not the same case. When you click on one item, it will go to another report where it has detailed description of that particular item. So such reports like hyperlink, if you know hyperlink, when you click on a link, it goes to a page. Similarly, drill through works in that way. So drill down is for expand and collapse purpose, drill through is like hyperlink. So in this case, we need two reports. One is abstract version of report and the other is detailed report. So I am having two queries here. The first query is abstract information. It has only product key and product name. When I click on product key, it should navigate to me to another page where it has the details of that particular product. So without any further ado, let's create a data source. And so I'm using shared data source. Okay, creating data set. Okay. I'm sorry. So I'll insert a table here and I'll copy my product key and product name. I'll remove this column. I'll save this and I'll do a bit of color coding here. It's not visible, and I'll make it bold and I'll make black background. So when you preview this, it is prompting you product key and product name information. And let's do let's have values in center. Save this. Now the second task is create another report which provides the details of this particular report. New item, report, drill through detail. Just save this. Go and create a new data source. Shared. Okay, now you want this query to be copied and do it. Okay, insert table, product name, sales amount, total product cost, and tax amount. And also color of the product. These are the details I want to see when I click on my product key. Let us do some standard formatting and let's add this and save this. So go to drill through report, the main report, and click on product key text box properties. You'll have action here. Just click on action and click on go to report, and you'll see here list of reports. So where you want to give your hyperlink. So I want to go to my drill through report and add the parameter. What is the parameter? Your product key of abstract report should be equal to product key of your detailed report. Just save this and preview the information. So you see it's it's showing me a hand symbol, nothing but it's a hyperlink. Just click on product key 1. So there is no details for product key 1. We'll see in SQL as well here. Yeah, we don't have information for this. What is that we have? We'll see that. And we'll click on the same. The detail table don't have that information, so that is the reason we are unable to see the values. Product key 310, do we have that value in our main report? That's what we have to see now. Preview. Product key 310, do we? Yeah, so just click on product key 310. So it is providing us the information. Product name is same, and the sales amount, total product cost, tax amount, and the color, which is consistent across. So we need to also add the region and the person who ordered this item, all those details, then we will get the details of this. Now it is looking like a redundant report, but actually these are unique values, because one person it's not a single order, these are all multiple orders. So however, our purpose is to explain what is drill through report. So drill through report is nothing but when you click on this particular report, main report, it should go to the detail area and show the details of that particular product. So that is the purpose of having drill through reports. The third type of reports what we have is sub reports. So sub report is again a report within a report. It's a kind of a child report, resides in parent report and gets invoked when parent is invoked. So let's understand this with example. So you know sub reports, I mean you have seen in programming language sub conditions, so loop within a loop, parent child, all this hierarchical kind of things. So here in SSRS also we have such concept, report within a report, which is nothing but sub report.